and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you 5 really cute and quick simple hairstyles for your short hair and medium hair. So let's get started. So for the first one, what you're going to do is take hair from this section, this side section.
Now take an elastic and tie the ponytail. Now after tying it, make a small hole with your fingers and then push or flip your ponytail through it like how I'm doing here.
Now after doing it, I'm going to take a bobby pin and in between the thing I'm going to put the pin so that it doesn't move and it stays, and it also hides behind the hair like that. Now I'm going to do the same thing for this side of the hair. Hairstyle is same as the first one but a little different. First again I'm going to part my hair from here and I'm going to tie the hair tie a little further like here. Like that, and then I'm going to make a hole and flip it twice or thrice. Crisscross this over here, take a bobby pin and then secure the both to this hair. So moving on for the third hairstyle. So what I'm going to do in this, instead of taking the middle partition, I'm going to make it as a side partition. So like that, a little section from here and twist it like this. Very nicely, very firmly. So after twisting the first one, for the timing, I'm going to take the bobby pin and hold it near the hair over here, another section, and I'm going to start twisting. Now taking the third section as well, take it and nicely twist it. Now I'm taking all the three, taking a hair tie and tightly tying them. Bobby pin and secure it nicely. So now to hide this rubber band, we're going to take hair from that section and hide it like this. Hairstyle number 4. So this hairstyle you can do it with your middle partition or you can take a side partition and do it. I'm going to take a side partition and do it.
So for this hairstyle, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a section of hair and then I'm going to do 3 braids and then take a section of hair with my right hand and join it with the braid and do 3 braids and again take a section of hair and do the braids. So you can do it till the end, how much ever length you want.
Running like a line here nicely. In order for it to look more clear and more detailed, you can just tease out the braid, like loosen up the braid a little bit. number 5. So in this I'm taking a side section, and the side which has less hair, like proportionally less hair, I'm gonna take a section from here, like here, and I'm gonna do small braid. So after doing it, I'm gonna put a hair tie. So what I'm gonna do with the first braid is I'm gonna take a little section of hair from here, and then I'm gonna put it above that section, and I'm gonna keep it this way, and I'm gonna clip it over here. I'm gonna take the second tiny portion over here. Here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take section of hair, put it above it like that, and again take another section of, and then put it underneath it, and then do it like this, and then pin it. So now you will see a pattern going on over here. So braid you can see here, and then there is a section of hair over here, and here you will see a section of hair, and then you will see a braid here. So this is what the pattern. So guys, those were my 5 quick simple hairstyles that you can try for any occasion, for your office or for your college. I hope you guys liked it because I love doing it. One of the reason I got my hair short is so that I can try more hairstyles, because I'm very bad at handling long hair. So I'm really loving the short hair and I'm trying new things. So I hope you guys like this video. I'll soon come up with another hairstyle video. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, press the bell icon, and I'll see you next time. Bye.